everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this video, we will be doing an unboxing. If you're interested to see what I got in the mail, stand by. So this will be a quick unboxing, and then in the next video that I will post on Friday, because I post every Tuesday and Friday, I will be showing you how to actually use one of the products. And then in a couple other videos, I will show you, how to use the other products and, or how my whatever turns out. With that said, I received an email from this company called Angel Wings Molds. So there you go. These packages contain molds, resin molds, and they wanted me to try out their products and to do a YouTube video, just kind of reviewing it and seeing how they hold up with resin, how they may hold up with UV resin, if the molds do well under heat or under UV lamp or whatever. So I said, sure, why not? And I like products, I like molds, I like playing in resin, so sure, why not? So they went ahead and sent me some of their products, and again, their name is Angel Wings Molds. I will definitely put their Amazon store information down in the description box below so y'all can check them out. I already opened up one. I did not look in it, but I opened it up, and then as I was opening it up, I was reading the label, and I was like, oh, that's from Angel Wings. So I went ahead and stopped opening and all the other stuff, because I was already expecting Amazon packages, so I was just like ripping stuff open, and then I read it and I was like, ooh. So I did slow down and I did not open the other two, but I did not look to see what was in there. But since this is already ripped open, we're going to go ahead and start with this package. And it is a couple of molds. So like I said, both of these contain molds as well, and I'll go over which molds they are. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one open, and I'm trying not to show y'all my address. I mean, if y'all want to send me some stuff, y'all can go ahead. But that's another one. And let me cut this one open. So, and then I'll go over each mold. Okay, that's it. So they sent it in 3 different packages. All right, so, I can't wait to do that one. All right, so let's see how many we had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 different molds. This one is the car coaster. So it goes where your cup holder, your cup holder will go, and it makes it like a little fancy little disc. Because in your car it has that little, I can't even think, plastic or rubber, that's it. I'm sorry, y'all, it's kind of late and I've been moving all day. So a little rubber thing. So this is, you can make the resin, you can make it resin instead of the rubber thing. So this will be cool. I'm definitely going to do this one. This one might be the next project, because I really want to change out my rubber ones because they are dirty. This is a cute one. It is a shiny glossy heart puzzle keychain. So you can give a person, so it's basically 2 molds. So one is the puzzle piece, and then one is the heart with the missing puzzle. And then this part will go in here, but you can split it up and give somebody the puzzle piece, and then you have this part, or vice versa. So I think that's really cute. This one is a super shiny cherry flower blossom keychain. So it's basically a flower blossom. That is really pretty. I really like that. What's this one? This is a super glossy resin car light. Is this the Jeep one? All right, I might have to open this up because they got the sticker on both sides. Yep. All right, so this one is the Jeep. So basically a Jeep keychain, and I I can't wait to do this one because I'm going to give it to my sister. She has a Jeep, and my niece has a Jeep too. This is Angel Wings coffee cup, so that is really cute. Right there. Let me take it out the plastic. I'll end up putting it in different plastic. So that's that right there, if y'all can see it. It has like little flowers on the side. And matter of fact, let me go ahead and open these ones up too. I try not to take them out of the plastic because I don't want lint or anything to get in them. But I'm just going to go ahead and put it in separate plastic baggies. And you can put them in like Ziploc bags. This is the little flower, the cherry blossom flower that I was telling y'all about before. This one was pretty easy to see. And then that one was pretty easy to see. This one is a pencil. So I thought this was cute, especially since it's back to school time. And you can personalize this and give it to one of your teachers, one of your students' teachers. You can make them a pencil and then put the teacher's name across it. So we will definitely be playing with that one. Because you can put, oh yeah, I can't wait to play with that. And then this one is the super shiny 1.7 inch foam resin casting. So basically this is a foam grip thing. So in one of my other videos I did, and I'll put it up here somewhere, I'll tag it somewhere up here, where I use like I think they're like macaroon or cookie silicone molds, and I just filled it up a little bit to put the resin on the back of a foam grip. So this actually fits the foam grip, and then you would just fill it up to the top, and then it wouldn't be too thick. You wouldn't have to really measure it out the way you would have to in the other mold. So this fits perfectly. Look at that. Now it is a little bit wider than the foam grip, but that's perfect because then it'll actually lay, and you'll be able to rest your phone easier with that. So I can't wait to actually use that and see how it turns out. And then this one, the last one, is a Resin Molds Dream Catcher. So this has a lot of pieces. Where is the opening? There we go. All right, so I'm going to take this one out and show y'all, because this has a lot of different pieces. And what did I say I was going to do first? I thought I was going to do that card thingy, but I may actually do this one first, because this one looks like it's going to be fun. So this is a dream catcher. I love dream catchers. And so this is the actual dream catcher here. And then these would be like the feathers. So if you want to attach feathers or anything to your dream catcher, this is what it would be. So these two would be the feathers right here. And then you would, if I could get it open, you would attach, there's a keychain. So then you would attach all of that to the keychain. So it came with like, how many? 4, 5, 10 keychain rings, which is awesome. It came with some links. And then it came with like earring things. So you could actually make these into earrings. Oh, that's cool. So you can actually make these into earrings if you wanted to. And then it came with the backs to the earrings, and it came with what? I'm gonna say 10 again. Yep, 10 earring hooks, some links, and then links if you wanted to attach the feathers to the bottom of the keychain ring. So it would kind of look like that, but it would have the rings and stuff. Oh, y'all. I think I'm gonna do this one first. So Yeah, because that's going to be cute. I think this will be our project for Friday. We'll play with this. And we might just do 2 of them because you can actually do the UV resin with these, because these are thin. They're not thin where you can like rip them easily or anything like that. I'm trying to see if it has the thickness. It doesn't though, of how, yeah, it doesn't have how thick the molds are on any of the packaging, but it's like a regular mold. It's not like super thin or anything like that. I'm pulling it, I'm stretching it, and it's still holding up. It's not ripping or anything like that, so it is good quality molds. You see I'm stretching it, I'm bending it. Yeah, they're really good quality molds here. This one I can't wait to play with. This one I'm pressing up into the holes, and it's not ripping, it's not tearing or anything like that. I'm pulling it. This I'm doing the same thing. So these are very good molds as far as I can tell, as far as like pulling it and, you know, all of that other good stuff. It's not ripping. I have seen some molds where you do all that manipulation and they rip. So these are nice and heavy. They're solid molds, so I feel like they are going to be good quality molds. I will see how they turn out with, you know, using the resin in them, demolding them, and how they hold up over time, of course. And we will be doing a project with it. I definitely want to go ahead and get started here with that one. But, you know, if you are watching this video and you want to see me use a particular mold right away in Friday's video, go ahead and put it in the comment box below, and I'll go ahead and do it. But if I don't see a lot of comments down there, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this dream catcher, y'all, because that thing finna be fire. So again, I will go ahead and put their information and their link to their store down in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. That is pretty much it for this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And if you ended up liking this unboxing, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button along with the share button. All right, y'all. And also, if you are not already in my Facebook group, please go ahead and join that Facebook group. It is Crafting Made Easy, spelled the same way as it is on this YouTube channel. And I will see y'all in the next video. So y'all stay blessed, and until next time, peace.